Based on specific inputs regarding presence of UZ guarders intending to extort money from trucks plying along National Highway No. 2 and the shops around the area, yesterday a team of Kangpopi police stations immediately rushed to the area, and near Chongobung village, the team detected 2 individuals running away from the spot, seeing the police teams. The team chased them and apprehended. The apprehended persons are identified as Saitin Thang Kilong, 46 years, of Kangchuk Makom, and Satgolan Haukip, 29 years, of Kotland village. On questioning, they revealed that they are active guarders of UKLA and have extorted money from 3 trucks on the same day under the command of one Davidson Haukip of More. The team seized transport receipt book of UKLA, 3 mobile phones, 1 Dio scooty black in color bearing registration number MN01TU4664, rupees 7,100 and 1 black airbag from their possession. An FIR has been registered at the concerned police stations and further investigation is on.